Hello, this is your channel, Sosanasa One in English. I am the electromechanic engineer Emmanuel, and now I'm going to show you how to change the battery of this remote door control. This is very easy. For know if the battery has or not enough energy, we need to use the digital multimeter to measure the battery voltage inside. The first step is press the key and watch. If you watch a light like this means you need to change the battery because this light is low, like we are watching. It's the red color, but like we are watching, is very low, the light. This means we need to change the battery inside the remote door control. Now, let's open this. For access to the battery inside, we need this. And this is very easy. We need only to introduce and move in this way. And now the control is open, like we are watching. Take this, and now I have the motherboard. Now use this again and introduce and move to take the battery. Okay. Now read the information. This is the model CR2016 batteries. Now we are going to use the digital multimeter to measure the voltage in this case. Like we are watching here, this is a battery of 3 volts. This means here I need to choose direct current voltage mode, this mode, from this point to this point. In this case, I'm going to choose a higher voltage than 3 volts. In this case, 20 volts. Move the selector and choose 20 volts. This is the voltage limit inside this mode. Now our digital multimeter is ready. Take the test probe and take the battery and touch the positive in this side and the negative in this side and watch the digital multimeter screen. In this case, this is almost 3 volts. This means this battery is damaged. We can't continue using this battery. We need to change this battery. Now let's test the other battery. The positive in this side and the negative in the other side. 3 volts. This means this battery is damaged. We need to replace or change the battery in this case. Now, here I have 2 new batteries. The same battery, like we are watching CR2016 battery. This is the model, the same model. Now, let's open the battery and introduce the battery here. Now let's open the battery. Okay. Okay. And take the new battery and put here. And now Let's to open the other battery. Let's to open. Be careful in this part. Okay. Now take the battery with my finger. Now we have the other battery here. Now let's measure the voltage with the digital multimeter. This is very easy. Take one battery and touch the positive of the digital multimeter to the positive side of the battery and the negative to the other, and watch on the digital multimeter screen. In this case, we have 3.27 volts. This means this battery is full of charge, has enough charge, because 3.27 volts is higher than 3 volts. This means this battery is in excellent condition. Now let's to test the other battery. Touch here and watch on the digital multimeter screen. 3.27 volts. This means this battery is new, is in excellent condition. Now the next step is take this and put the positive side in this position. And now introduce the other in the positive. Let me see. The same side together. Okay. Now use the digital multimeter to know if the connection between the two is okay or not. Positive. And now, like we are watching on the digital multimeter screen, 6.56 volts. This means it's good, it's correctly. Because in this case, I have two batteries. Now, introduce the battery inside this. Like we are watching the positive side of the battery. Touch the positive side of the motherboard. Introduce. Now, press here, and like we are watching, now it's good. Now, let's take this and introduce in the same way. Let me see. Introduce here. Be careful. Be careful. Now, take this and move in the same position and close. Close in this position. Now press here, and now this is working correctly. Like we are watching, the light is more strong. This means now this remote door control is working correctly with new batteries inside. And in this way, you can change the remote door control battery very easy, like we were watching here. Thank you for watching. Subscribe in our channel. If you like this kind of video, give me a like for create more content like this. Share this video. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. Subscribe to our channel Sosa NASA 1 in English and activate the notification bell to receive the notification every Saturday of new videos.